Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, you can smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. So anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So literally, I try out this method that she shared in this video, which says new secret website that pays with proof, make money online now. So I try out this method and I go through the website she shared in this video and see if I'll be able to make money just as she said, and I also check through all the tags she actually try out in order to make money in this video. So I proceeded on to follow every step she shared and how she was able to make the money. But then I'm gonna tell you what I noticed about all this website and how if you are literally gonna make money on this particular website. So I go down to the website, which is, I don't know how to pronounce this. I'm sorry. I think it's Pegazani or something like that. So I think this kind of like a South Africa or Kenya website, which you can complete a survey and then you're gonna be able to make money on this website. You can go through the website. You can see Pegazani is a global panel with rewarded survey, cash offers, and many more. So you can see paid surveys, cash offers, then daily bonus as well as end payouts, user tasks, get referrals. So if you're gonna be signing up on this website, so will appreciate it if you can use the link in the description of this video to sign up on this website. So going on to the website, you can see the current member, page served, and click received so far. And you can also see the testimony that's actually going on the website. So I'm gonna walk you through the inside of the platform. So we try to sign up on this web by providing all the details here, and then we're able to see this particular link. So we sign up. You can see these two guys finance, and we're able to activate the account, and then after that we're able to jump down to this particular page, which is the daily bonus page, and you can see how it looks like. Sorry, you can see how it looks like. You can also unlock surveys. You can see to unlock this surveys you must complete a qualification surveys and seek and score 100%. If you score less than 100%, you will need to wait 6 days to complete this qualification survey again. So these are the tasks she literally completed on her own video, and then she was able to earn some money. And if you sign up on this website, you're gonna get $1 to for signing up. And you can see this is actually 1.2 $1.12, and you can receive different offers on this particular package, particular page. Sorry, you can see over Toro, Polefish, Wana, One Ads, also Beat Labs, Capital. So she complete some tasks here. So let's check on the offer Toro. Then you can see um select your device. Okay, choose a device will allow us to display the best offer for your device. So if you're using Apple, you're using Android. So let me put on Apple device, then you click on save. So these are the offers available for Apple device. So I'm gonna navigate to the PC, and you can see desktop finance research. You can also navigate to mobile apps and all offers as well. So you can see all these offers. So on this particular 1xbet platform, you can gonna get 9 coin, and if you also scroll down, you're gonna get 54 coin on this particular one, which will require you to download and install this particular app. And if you also scroll and see Donald Trump Empire, this is 30 coin. And to get, you have to get like 100 coin to get $1 on this website. So you can see Go Opinion money for service, which is 300 coin. That's like $3. That's literally amazing. You can see this another one. Open and use this app, probably a referral stuff. You're gonna get 41 coin. So if you install like 2 to 3 apps on this website, you're gonna be able to make $1. So let me show you some certain tasks which I did to earn extra money than uh the bonus that I was able to get on this website. So I signed up on the AdSend media, then I was able to see different offers. So you're gonna see offers coming down. So they're rolling for Apple, Tab, and then PC as well. So you can see these are different tags on this website. So this is one tag I paying, this is another tag. Further qualification may be required. So you can see there are a lot of tags on this particular website. So these are the offers that I actually jump up on, and you can see bonus history. Let me check on that. So you can see this is one bonus history, which is uh 1 cent. And then you're gonna see contest, monthly contest. There's a contest here. You can see router as well, different option. You can see offers. You can see surveys. You can take surveys and be able to make money. And you can also promote to join an affiliate and also make money. And you can also do the redeem or cash withdrawal here on this particular section. But then what I noticed about this website is the fact that you're gonna be able to make money, but you cannot make enough to sustain you. But if you are looking out to make some sense or some, just have to want to have some funds about you just being able to say some dollars or something like that in your account. So I guess this is gonna be able to worth it. So she was able to make $10 and withdraw through PayPal on that particular video. But then I feel like there are a lot of tasks she actually did for her to be able to make that kind. So if I want to take that time to earn that $10, so I have to spend like a week on the website before I can be able to earn that much on this website. So part of the tasks that I actually did earn me this amount, you can see your email was verified, and then I was able to earn 1.20. I don't know if this is a cent or if it is a coin or if this is a dollar, because it hasn't reflected in my Payas account. But then if you are just thinking if this website is actually legit, yes, they are legit, but it's a survey website where you can literally make a lot money. So you don't expect to make a lot with this website. So you can make a cent just to, probably you need small money to, maybe for feeding. I don't even say this is for feeding, because as a grown-up person, this website cannot actually sustain you to make good amount of money. That's just my opinion about this website. And if you're interested in making me more video about website that I've actually tried and see if you can actually make money on those website or not, you can kindly subscribe to this channel, and also let me know in the comment section if you literally like me explaining how or trying out if these websites work or not. Thank you, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Peace.